What is up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig. So it came really nicely packaged. I got a lot of things: some conditioner, elastic band, flyaway tamer, wig caps, wig kit, a lot of things. And then here is the wig itself out of the box. So it is a Yaki textured wig, and it's already pre-customized, ready to go. So here is the wig on my head. Of course, we got to try it on, show you guys what it looks like right out of the packaging. And so far it looks really good. I didn't expect anything less. So I'm using the flyaway tamer, and I'm going to apply that on to the hairline so that I can go over that with the hot comb. I really want to press it out, push the hair back so we can see where exactly this hairline starts. And as you can see, it's molding the hair by itself, like it's pushing the hair back, it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is tame flyaways. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going over it with the hot comb, and we can really see the hairline and see the plucking on this wig. Like, it looks so good and so natural. I am adding some powder on the inside of this lace. Not a lot, just a little bit to make a small difference. I'm mainly applying it right there on the front of the lace. I have the wig back on my head, and again, it's still looking so good. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to cut off that extra lace that is going over my ears because it's not needed. It's really important that this lace lays flat from ear to ear, so I definitely need to make sure that I cut some of that off. Yes, I am gluing my wig down. I just feel so safe and secure when I know that my wig is not going anywhere. So I'm using the Bold Hold lace glue. My absolute favorite glue because it's not super harsh. It does not irritate my skin. It's easy to apply. It dries down really quickly. And it's easy to remove. Like, some glue is just so hard to get off, but this, it really isn't hard to remove, but it does also have a really good hold at the same time. So I only did 2 layers. That's what I normally do. I do 2 layers of the glue, and then once those layers have dried down clear, that means it's ready to stick. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my lace down on top of that glue. I'm going to go ahead and cut off that lace. So I just cut it into 2 halves, and then I'm just going to cut one side at a time. I'm using these really small scissors to cut, but they cut really well. They're like surgical scissors, or the ones that come in a first aid kit. Now I am making small touch-ups and applying the glue anywhere that's needed. So I want to let the glue dry down some more. I'm going to take the band and tie it down. I'm not doing the band for an hour. Get somebody else to do it. I'm going to do 10, 15, 20 minutes max, okay? But it was probably like 10 to 15 minutes that I let it sit. And I like to pull it down to the edge of the lace to make sure that it's sitting where the glue is. And then while that's on my head, I like to go over that with the hot comb so I don't have to worry about burning my forehead. I have a lot of burn spots, burn marks from where I burnt myself, but this I can get really close to it and really press it out. Now look at that. Tell me that does not look good, you guys. I'm going over it with some more of that powder onto the lace. I'm using the good old Ebin hairspray. The black can is the best. You can also use the melting spray, which is very similar to spritz spray, but I'm taking a very small amount and I'm spraying it on the tip of my finger, and I'm only applying it to the edge of the lace. Literally, I'm not applying it all on the hairline, just right there where the lace begins, like right there where I cut it. I'm going to tie it down, let it sit for 10 more minutes. So if you read the title, you know I'm going for a clean girl, classy type of look. So this wig did come pre-parted with a middle part. A middle part is just very clean and classic. Like, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm taking the flyaway tamer or wax stick. I'm going to apply that on to the hair where the part is, and then I'm going to press it out with the hot comb. I really want to press it out. Make sure it's nice and flat. So I have removed the band, you guys, and look at the hairline. It looks so natural. This looks like my natural hair, and the Yaki texture just takes it to another level because it just makes it look like it's my real hair. No baby hairs, okay? Nothing wrong with baby hairs because I love a good swoop, but we want to keep it nice and elegant today. So I'm going to press out this Yaki texture, and I love Yaki hair just because I love kinky straight too, but Yaki just gives kinky straight pressed out, you know what I'm saying, without having to press it out as much. So yeah, I love a good Yaki. It's giving relax, it's giving perm, it's giving blowout. So yes, you guys, I'm going to just do that, run the flat iron through the hair. When I say Myfirstwig never disappoints, they never disappoint. Every single time they get it right. The wig is coming plucked to perfection. The knots are bleached. It's already styled. It's pre-parted. Like, what more could you ask for? Especially if you're just getting into wigs. Literally, you need a Myfirstwig wig because it's already coming ready for you to wear. All you have to do is install it. If you want to do some extra styling, make some adjustments for you, you can do that, which is something that I like to do. But is it needed? Is it necessary? No. Perfect for busy women on the go. And another thing that I feel like elevates a wig, especially a natural length, is blunt ends. Like, it just takes it to a whole nother level. They don't have to be super blunt, but just cutting like 2 inches off makes a huge difference. And this is the final look, you guys. I will have everything listed down below, so make sure you check it out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.